This is the second video of today, but it's going to be a shorter one because it is a giveaway video, and I've got a Glossybox up for grabs for one of you lovely subscribers, and I will be doing this as an international giveaway as well, so all the details will be listed down below, which I'll tell you a little bit about what you have to do in a little while. But look at this gorgeous box. This is my one. I unboxed this a little while ago. If you haven't seen my video and you're curious to see my thoughts and everything, I will link that up above in a tag, and I'll link it down below as well. So I was given this box as a PR box from Glossybox, so it's my very first PR box. I'm super excited to receive it. So it meant that it overlapped my subscription, so from now on, I don't know how long, it could only be a month or two or so, but I will be receiving my glossy boxes for free. All my thoughts and opinions will still remain my own, but yeah, so they just give me a box for free, which is wonderful. So because the subscription overlapped with the PR box, it meant that I still had to pay for May's box. So this is May's box, and there's no point me having two, so I thought I'll do a mini giveaway. Now I have got a big giveaway going on my channel at the moment, and that finishes on the 3rd of June, I believe. So for this one, I'm just going to put it up for 2 weeks. So to be in for a chance of winning, you must be subscribed to my channel. If you are under 16 years old, you must have your parents' or guardians' consent, and also you need to leave a comment down below. So I'll be using a comment generator type thing, so that will pick out the winners. For your comment, it can be anything. You can tell me anything you would like to tell me. You can ask me a question, or you can say what you're looking forward to over the next couple of months. I'll leave it up to you, but yeah. Also, you would need to put down below your contact details, so that would either be your Instagram or Twitter account name, or a personal email, so that if you are the winner, I can contact you and we can speak and arrange addresses and stuff like that off YouTube. So I think that's it. I will list it all down below if I've missed anything out, but no, so this is the gorgeous box that you will receive. So it's the Daydreamer box. It's a special edition May box. This is what it looks like inside. It's all wrapped up. I won't open it. Got your little card there. I'll open up mine and I'll show you what you'll get. So if not for you, it could make a beautiful gift for someone. So there's all the products in there. I haven't used these yet because then I realised that I'll be having an extra box, so I wanted to show you first before me opening up. There's a Just for Feet, and it's a jelly foot soak. That's quite cool. Then we've got a Trifle Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow palette, which looks really cool as well. We've got a Queshy Double Effect Makeup Remover. There it is. Then we have a shampoo and conditioner travel set, and these are True Soft, and they're by Maria Nila, so they're nice handy sizes there, 100ml each. And then the last item is a tea bag. So it's just like an added extra they've added in there. So those are the items that will be inside the box. So to be in for a chance of winning, please follow the instructions down below. Thank you, and I'll speak soon. Take care. Bye.